Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and in this video we are going to show you the 4G multisensor from NECTO and how this could be a game changer for you if you travel with your dogs or cats. We'll go through an unboxing, we'll go through the installation, and whether you should consider using this to monitor the environment of your RV while you're away. So it's very possible this could be the shortest unboxing ever. There's really not much in it. So you have your support card, a quick start guide, you have the sensor itself, comes with, it looks like a power cable and a power adapter, and it looks like it has some screws if you want to screw it to something, and a plate with a self-adhesive tab on the back and a way to mount. That is all that is in the box. As far as the instruction goes, it looks like there is, the steps are pretty well laid out. It has a QR code to create the account, to register the device, and very simple. Not much to do, so let's go ahead and get it plugged in and get it set up. For the purpose of this video, we are not going to mount it right now, but we are just going to power it up. So simply press the power button here on the side and you're going to see things start booting up. Okay, so as it has booted up, we have solid green lights, which means that we are connected to a cellular network and we have power, obviously. The pups typically stay right here with their little crate that we set up for them, and we will probably put the sensor here or somewhere nearby that would give us an idea of what they are actually feeling right here in this spot. So we're going to scan the code, and then we're going to get to the page where it's asking you to log in or register. So we are going to register, and we'll give it our names. I'll just use my name and enter my phone number, which you guys will not be seeing. Receive alerts on this phone. By providing the phone number, you agree to receive text messages from NECTO. Of course, that's what we want. And we will create a password. And we hear about you guys, so we're just going to say referral and register. So once you get to this screen here, you're going to want to go up to the little menu, add device, and you're going to enter this code right here. Well, it'll be specific for yours. And you click continue. And we're going to just call this the RV monitor. Okay, device location, pups, place. What do you plan on monitoring? RV and pets, and register device. And there we go. So that is now registered, and we've given it a name. So again, for this test, we're just going to simply leave it here, and I'm going to try to figure out a way to trip the alarms to show you how we get text messages on the environment. Alert preferences. Alright, let's we're going to do all of them, and we have our temperature low and high settings, our humidity high and low. I just let that alone. Obviously a power outage, low battery, because this will operate with a loss of power. I believe it was 72 hours is what they expect the battery to run on, and if the device is offline. I think for this exercise, just to speed things up for notifications, let's just lose power. So we have lost power. Okay, so we got our message. There's the power lost, and it shows the battery level, which has just been turned on, so that's actually pretty good. So there's our message. And so there is our notification that we lost power and that the unit was working. Now it took maybe 2 minutes, maybe. So that's pretty good. I think that's a fairly safe number. And as you can see, that the the notifications do show that the power was lost and that we were notified. Again, it only took a few minutes for that notification to reach me. So let's talk for a moment about what this multisensor can and cannot do. So one, what it does do, it does monitor your temperature, your humidity, your power, and it gives you really good response on when those thresholds have been exceeded. And it's, like I said, just a couple of minutes. So it communicates over 4G cellular technology, and it uses the AT&T, T-Mobile, and Cellular One networks. So as long as you're within range of those networks, you're covered. And those services are good for 2 years, and the renewal of that is fairly inexpensive, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. It does run off of battery power for up to 72 hours. Should there be a loss of power in the rig and you're away, you'll know that you still have continued coverage. Now let's talk about what it can't do. As of right now, of course, this device has no camera on it, so you can't talk to or see your pets when you're away. And that's why we continue to use the Blink system for our monitoring of the pups visually. So we haven't done away with anything, we just continue to use that as our visual method. And I think I spoke earlier in previous video that there are some monitoring methods for the Blink system for temperatures. But if you lose power and you don't have your Wi-Fi service up and running, then you don't know. So, you know, this NECTO multisensor is a great fit, fills that void of loss of Wi-Fi. As of this recording, there is no dedicated app for the phone, so you're not going to be able to remote into your app and look and see what the current temperatures are. I use the Blink, like I said, I use the Blink to get that information, but for this product, for right now, you can't do that. There's no dedicated app. You just rely on messages coming in, or you log into a browser on your phone and look at those stats. So in summary, what is this product and who is it for? Well, this is if you need a way to be alerted when your pups are by themselves and you're going to be gone away for a few hours doing whatever you do, and you need to be notified right away that the temperature is getting a unsafe territory for your furry friends. Now, we haven't fully reviewed this product over any length of time, so we'll come back at some point and we will give you an update on what we find. Right now, it's very straightforward to use. It looks very simple. The only thing I wish they had would have been a dedicated app, which I believe is coming. So we'll have to stay tuned for that. So the product comes with 2 years of service, no charge to you. That's included in the fee of buying the device. Now, when it comes renewal time, it's only $29 a year as of this recording. I mean, that's really reasonable. I mean, to have all those, you know, AT&T, T-Mobile, and was it Cellular One services available to you? Yeah, I think that's a very reasonable price. So we're going to leave a link down below where you can buy this product, and any savings that we can pass along to you, we'll leave a code in there as well. Also, just a reminder that the cost of this does include 2 years of cellular service for this product, and once those 2 years have passed, then renewal of that is only $29 a year. So I think that's a pretty good savings. So right now, as a brand new product, is this something that I could recommend? I think so. I think the cost is fairly reasonable for what you're getting. You know, you're getting your temperature, humidity, and power loss, and you're getting 2 years of cellular service coverage with this device and $30 a year thereafter. I mean, I can't believe really I haven't done a video on something like our pups safety. Our channel is all about our pups and our travels. But I do want to thank them for reaching out to us. They actually came and met us at the Hershey show, so I appreciate them reaching out to have us review this product. Check this out. I think this is something, if you have pups or cats or whatever you might keep in your rig and you need to know the temperatures and the humidity and loss of power, this might be the way to go. So I appreciate you watching and staying to the end, and we'll talk to you soon.